Hey guys, I'm Calvin from Raw Coding. Today I'll show you how I created a program that tells the user what cars a customer is likely to buy based on their postcode alone. Before customers visit a car dealership, they often go on the company's website to book a test drive. They enter information such as their name, postcode, and email address. I've created a program that tells the dealership what cars a customer is likely to buy based just on their postcode. The program works by getting the estimated income for the postcode and showing suitable car suggestions. If the postcode was based in a wealthier area, then the dealership may want to upsell their more expensive, flashy cars. However, if the postcode was based in an area that was less well off, then the dealership may want to talk more about the economic features of the vehicle. It's obviously important to listen to what the customer wants, but it's nice to have this information at hand as it allows the dealer to tailor the customer experience before they have even walked into the showroom. To create this program, I used Python, the Pandas library, and the PyCharm IDE. I got my datasets from the Office of National Statistics. There are 2.7 million postcodes in the UK and around 7,000 OSN numbers. Every postcode has an OSN number assigned to it. The problem is that people don't know what their OSN number is. They only know what their postcode is. To solve this problem, I downloaded a dataset that listed the postcodes with the corresponding OSN numbers on one data file. The program would find the related OSN number and store it so we could use it in the next database. I was able to find the dataset containing the average incomes for all the OSN numbers. After reading through a number of money advice forums, I realized that people shouldn't be paying more than 7% of their monthly income on a car. So I created a variable within my program that would calculate 7% of our monthly income value. Everyone needs to get food, pay mortgage, tax, and utility bills. Even though these bills are likely to be higher for wealthier people are likely to be able to spend a higher percentage of their money on cars. In my program, I defined those at the top of the ladder to be capable of spending up to 17% of their monthly income on a new car. I saved the monthly budget value so I could use it in the next part of my program. Next, I created a database with the columns for the car brand, model, and price. I visited a number of car websites and used their listings there to fill out the database. I did some research and found that the monthly repayment of a new car is around 1.5% of the car's value. If the monthly cost of the vehicle was lower than the calculated budget, the vehicle was added to the data frame within our program. Using the price of each vehicle, I calculated the deposit, monthly payment, and final payment of the contract. Finally, I added a table that would show the user the contract details of each car. This information could be relayed to the customer quick and easy. As you can see, this program has been created with data that is publicly available. With data that is specific to a car dealership, one could do much more. For instance, one could predict the likelihood of a customer purchasing a vehicle based on past data, or we could analyze a dealership's purchasing timeline to see why customers aren't buying. And finally, we could check to see where marketing is paying off and where it isn't. It's all about the quality of data you have at your disposal, and with some knowledge and experience, you can really find the hidden gems of information within your dataset. This is the reason why data analytics has become an integral part of any successful business. Anyway guys, that is all for me today, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.